Top 5 APIs every productivity hacker should know.
Want to boost your workflow and automate more tasks? Discover 5 essential APIs that can help you streamline common processes, connect your favorite tools, and save valuable time in your daily routine. Let's explore the must-haves for every productivity-focused coder.
Zapier API, Automation Powerhouse.
Zapier's API lets you connect thousands of apps, automating tasks without manual effort. Whether you want emails from one service to trigger actions in another, or automate data entry between different platforms, Zapier's easy workflow creation is a favorite for productivity enthusiasts. Its flexibility means you can customize automation to fit your unique work style.
Google Calendar API, Smart Scheduling.
Juggling meetings and deadlines? The Google Calendar API is your ally. It allows you to programmatically create, edit, and manage calendar events, integrate reminders into custom apps, and keep your schedules synchronized. This API is perfect for building custom notification systems and ensuring you never miss an important event.
Trello API, Visual Project Management.
Organize your projects visually and programmatically with the Trello API. You can automate the creation of boards, cards, and lists, or update tasks based on triggers from other apps. For anyone managing complex workflows, this API makes it easy to keep your boards synced and tasks up to date, all from your own scripts.
Slack API, Communication Automation.
The Slack API enables you to supercharge team communication. Automate message posting, channel creation, or even custom notifications based on workflow events. Perfect for teams or individuals looking to streamline updates and reduce manual communication. It helps make sure everyone stays informed and connected.
Notion API, All-in-One Workspace.
With the Notion API, bring powerful data organization into your custom apps. You can create and edit databases, automate task tracking, or sync notes with ease. Notion's flexible structure and API allow you to customize your productivity dashboard and automate repetitive documentation or planning tasks.
Bringing it all together.
These 5 APIs offer limitless possibilities for automation and productivity. By integrating them into your workflow, you can save time, reduce manual work, and create seamless connections between your favorite tools. Explore their documentation and start building your personal productivity system today.